स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ। Hi guys, welcome to Manuver. In this video we'll talk about IPMAT for IIM Rohtak 2020, an exam date we all know, which is nothing but 28th of July. So as IIM Rohtak have changed the paper pattern, 60 questions will be coming which you have to complete in 45 minutes. And after the exam you have to write the VAT also. So first of all, let me tell you the difficulty level of the paper. Paper will be easy to moderate guys, because first time it is I am Indore taking the online exam. So if anything happened first time, so it always be easy or moderate. Do remember guys, paper will not be tough. The only challenge which you can face here, 60 questions you have to complete in 45 minutes. This is gonna to be a big challenge. So that's why making yourself comfortable with this type of the format is very important. That's why we have come up with the new mock test pattern based on the IPM Rohtak. 60 question, 45 minutes time breakup. So as they have not given the breakup of the particular question from the each section, but I am expecting that 20 question they will be asking from each section. If this will be the scenario, in that case, this is what the time breakup one should keep in mind. 12 minutes for the logic and the verbal, and the remaining time for the quant. And this should be your order of attempt guys. Verbal first, after then logic, then quant, or else you can take logic first, at second position verbal, and finally quant. Do not attempt a verbal section in the last guys, because it requires reading and understanding, which you cannot do in pressure. So if you attempt this section in the last, you will be in the pressure and you will lose the marks. So very important, do take the real feeling of the exam. At least write 4 to 5 mock tests based on the new pattern, which is nothing but 60 question, 45 minutes time. So we have launched 5 mock tests based on the IPMAT Rohtak new pattern. So start writing one mock test on daily basis, and this should be your ideal target guys. 45 plus you have to target out of 60 if you want your selection into the IIM Rohtak. So guys, we have waited a lot for this exam, and finally IIM Rohtak have decided to take your exam online. Don't be worried about this exam guys, take it as a challenge and fight well for next couple of days guys. So after writing your mock test, do analyze your mock test guys, whether you are scoring 45 plus marks or not. If not, then what are the hurdles you are coming across. Alright, so if you want to join the new pattern mock test, kindly visit menuedu.com website. This is what the website is. Go to the buy online, BBA entrance, and just scroll down guys, go to the mock test package, show packages, and scroll down in the last. This is what the IPMAT Rohtak 2020 new pattern 5 full length mock tests. Make sure you should attempt all these 5 mock tests and do work upon the analysis part as well. So link for the mock test program I have given you the description guys, so kindly check the description. And in case if you want to join us for the live preparation 2021 and the other courses, kindly visit menuedu.com/BBA entrance. For any query and assistance you can call on 8828581455. All the very best. Thank you.